Well, hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I'm glad you stopped in. Today it's going to be a diamond painting video. And if you're returning, hi again. Welcome back. So this is an order I got from GBFKE. They let me pick out some things and my package didn't fare well, as you can tell. Look, I'm like, what did you do to my package? Anyhow, it is what it is. Okay, so everything's in boxes today. Look at that. Okay, let's check it out and let's see what we got from GBFKE this time. And as per usual, I will link everything below so that you can find it. This just has a painting in it. Okay, it's a painting in a box. That's different. They don't normally come in a box. And then it's in a bag. Okay, let us get it out of the bag now. Okay, so how is everybody doing? I'm doing great. Today is a day for me to just do things I want to do around my house. I don't have any place I have to go. I'm happy about that. It's been kind of busy and crazy lately. So anyhow, okay, toolkit. All of them have one, right? Oh, she's adorable. She is so stinking cute. Look at her. Look at her. She's a little kitty in a teacup. A teacup kitty. Oh, my goodness. She's cute. Okay. Love it. Special drills, of course. And hey, it is smashing the specials. So if you're watching this, it is still smashing the specials. And, you know, get out some specials and smash away with us. I'm sure I'm going to do a few from GBFKE this month as well. All right, so this has 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different drills. Let us check out the drills. What do we get? Oh, I see some pretty ones in here. I like all the flowers. A nice little teacup. It's so cute. Oh, well, here they are. Here's the ones I was seeing right here. These big old gold ones right there. They're going to be those E's. Those right there. Okay, what else we got? We have got clear rhinestones. Pink, yellow, lime green, pretty blue, like a gray. And then here are our special ones, like a small marquee in blue, another small marquee in pink, another one in dark pink, and another one in gold. So these are going to be primarily flowers, petals, things like that. That would be my guess. So anyhow, she's super cute. Isn't she super, super adorable? I like it. Okay, let me slide that one off to the side. And I'm going to pause for a moment and try to do some adjustment on this camera. Doing that weird focusing thing. I don't want it to do. I don't know if I found it or made it any better or any worse. I don't know. Let's just keep going. All right. So we have something in a small box. A little box. I like small things in little boxes. Don't you? What do we have? What do we have? Oh, this is cute. I think I want to do a couple of these for smashing the specials. Just because. Just because. Look at this. Look how adorable this is. Look at it. Happy Halloween. Nothing scary there. We got a pumpkin. We got a black cat. We got some bats flying around. They're not scary. Trust me, bats are not scary. That's super cute. Look at all these special drills. Whole bunch of them over here. A bunch through here, right in that area, and over this way. Oh, this will be really cute. So it has its little stand. Love that. So this is a stand-up piece. I think that is super cute. I only have a few Halloween things in my stash to take to craft shows. I think I should do that one. What do you think? I think I should get to that one. Okay, love this. The drills are pre-bagged. See that? Pre-bagged. A lot of black. Oh, yeah, of course we have black. Okay, let's see if I can open them. Open, open, open. What do we have? Okay. Let's see. Let's see if this thing goes weird and bonky. I didn't do any. Oh, there it goes. Black, orange rhinestones, clear rhinestones. Let's see, what else do we have? These are kind of like a darkish gray rhinestone or brown, a green. They're stuck together kind of. Oh, look at these. That's it for the rhinestones. Okay. So we have these black round thingies. Yep, they go on the cat for sure. We have some yellow. Look at these. Love these. Love these little flowers. They're going to go where? Probably here on the hat. That's my guess. It keeps jumping. I hate this. I'm going to go to the phone store pretty soon. My phone's doing a couple things I don't like. And then we have those pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to work on this one. I really, really do. I think this one's in the lineup for Smashing the Specials this August. Yes. Okay. We have one more item to show you. One more. And let's get it out. Oh, it's a thing in a box, in a bag, in a box. Okay, let's get it out. What is it? Oh, this one hangs. Okay. It's big for a hanging, I'll just say. Let's get it all out and I'll show you. There's our drills. Here's our chain. And our little clasps are in there. Okay. All right. What do we got? Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's adorable. Absolutely adorable. It's a little deer, a Christmas deer, because we have, holly leaves and poinsettias and gifts. She's a Christmas deer and she's reading a book. Look, there's a little deer on the front of the book she's reading. She is adorable. That is so cute. Oh, I love her. I might wait a little while to do this one because it's Christmassy. I'll have some time to work on Christmas stuff a little bit later, but I think I'm working on Halloween and fall stuff right now. I don't know. Maybe Christmas. I don't know. I might leave her out. See if I get to it. All right. What do we get here? What do we get? Let's go to the center and find our rhinestones. Okay, here we go. We have clear. We have green. We have red. We have pink. We have brown and gold and a deep, deep garnet red and some black and some brown. And then we have these pretty red, like little claw looking things. Some red rounds, some gold faceted rounds, and we have stars. We have stars. Oh, my star. Oh, because they're in the book. Look, that's driving me crazy. They're on the book cover. That's cute. That is so cute. I love it. Okay, well, I got things to do, man. I got to get busy. I got to get working here. I got to get things done. So we have the Christmas deer with her book. We have the Halloween. And then we have the cute, cute little kitty cat. She's adorable. All right. Tell me, what do you like? What's your favorite? What one would you do first? Tell me all the things, okay? Give me all your thoughts. I love to hear them. And while you're commenting, hit the like button. Hype a video. I think you can do that for free. I think you just hit hype. I don't know. I don't think there's a cost for that. Try it. Let me know what you find out, okay? And then, do all the fun things. Subscribe and like videos and watch them and come back and see more. And, a super thanks now and then. Awesome. All those fun things you guys do to support creators are wonderful. So thank you so much for doing that. And I will be back soon with another video. But until then, I hope you guys have a great day and a wonderful week. And time for me to take advantage of my day. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.